Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to recover a deleted text file on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a text file that you may have created within a text editor. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Let's now navigate to OneDrive. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to Admin My Files, and now let's go within the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials, and we have been contiguously working within this folder. Click on this, and now what we will do is now minimize the alternative web browser for the moment. Now let's go over down to the dock, go to Launchpad, now go to Text Edit. The application is called Text Edit. Let's now open this up. Now let's type hello world. Increase the text size, Command S to save. Let's call this hello.txt. This will save directly to the desktop. That's fine, there we have it. Now let's close Text Edit. Now let's go around to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Now let's go to Add New, click on Files, Upload. Choose hello.txt, the text file that was created. Now open, let that upload, and there we have it. Hello.txt on screen. Let's go back one. And now we are looking to delete the file and then recover that deleted file in case we wish to retrieve the information. So let's click on the top right corner. Let's then go to delete. We receive a prompt on screen. Are you sure you want to send this item to the recycle bin? Yes, we are. So let's just think that we have deleted the information and now we wish to retrieve that information. How would we then go about that? So let's now go to recycle bin, and here we have the hello.txt file. Let's click on this. And now let's click on Restore. Restoring one item, go back to My Files, 2024. And there we have that deleted file that has now been recovered and fully reinstated back into the OneDrive folder, 2024. Let's click on this, and there we have it. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.